Hello students, in this video we are going to learn structure of secondary oocyte. As you know, in human female, unfertilized egg when ovulated, that is released from the ovary, is actually the secondary oocyte. This secondary oocyte is non-cladoic. Non-cladoic means without a shell, and microlethal means yolk is present in very small quantity. Secondary oocyte is approximately 0.1 mm, that is 100 microns in size. It is rounded, non-motile and haploid female gamete. The nucleus of the egg appears large and is called germinal vesicle. Typical nucleus or pronucleus is formed at the time of fertilization. During watching this video, please concentrate on the diagram given in this video. Typical nucleus or pronucleus having a fluid or cytoplasm called ooplasm. This ooplasm is devoid of centrioles. Devoid of centriole means centrioles are absent here. The egg is surrounded by various coverings. As we know, the structure of Graafian follicle, near about same structure is here in unfertilized egg or ovum is there. The structure of secondary oocyte shows egg membrane, which is called as vitelline membrane. This vitelline membrane secretes a non-cellular glycoproteinaceous membrane called zona pellucida on its outside. Adhering to the outer surface of zona pellucida are several radially elongated cells forming the corona radiata. These cells are derived from the innermost layer of granulosa cells. They are firmly held to the zona pellucida and to each other also by a acid called hyaluronic acid. It is actually the mucopolysaccharide. Between the vitelline membrane and zona pellucida there is a gap. This gap is filled with a fluid and this space is called as perivitelline space. The first polar body lies in this space. See this diagram, you can see the two poles. In human female, the egg shows polarity as shown in the figure. The side having germinal vesicle and first polar body is called animal pole, and the opposite side of this animal pole is called vegetal pole. For better understanding, please refer the diagram given in this video. In this way, you can describe the particular structure of unfertilized egg or ovum, or also called as secondary oocyte in human female. Hope you can understand very well. Thank you.